we are going to learn no articles. Means do not use article before the noun. We studied the previous lesson the use of articles a and the. But we must study some before some nouns. We do not use articles. It is very important lesson. You must watch, complete this video. Then you will get some idea and increasing your writing skills. Writing is very important. Your writing skills will be developed. So, no articles means do not use articles. See, do not use articles before the names of language. See, English, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Spanish, Hebrew, many languages are here. The different people are speaking different languages. But see, before the language, do not use articles. Suppose I speak the English, that is mistake. I speak A or R English, that is mistake. So you must understand before the language, no use the. It is mistake. And he knows Hindi. He knows how to speak Hindi. Any language in Malayalam, Sanskrit, Telugu, Tamil, any language, Bhojpuri, do not use any articles. The number 2, before the names of subjects. Subject means we are studying the subject. Chemistry, mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics. I like to study chemistry. I like biology. My hard subject is social studies. The chemistry not, the mathematics not. Only mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology. See, next before the names of games and sports. I play cricket. I play the cricket. That is mistake. I play cricket. See, no use. Do not use the article before the games and sports. See, I play cricket. Our national game is hockey. The hockey not, a hockey not, and hockey not. Only hockey. See, first before the names of language, before the names of subjects, before the names of game, and before the names of month and days. Before the names of month and names of months and days. January, February, March, April, May, June. Next day's name, Sunday. See, January is the first month of the year. The January not. A January not. January. Then we go to church every Sunday. Sunday. The Sunday not. Every Sunday. We go to church Sunday. Do not use the Sunday. That is mistake. A Sunday. That is mistake. The names of festival. Onam, Christmas, Diwali, Eid. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. The Onam not. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. The names of disease, cancer, cholera, jaundice. Before the names of disease, the article do not use the articles. No need to use article. See, I am suffering from cancer. See, cancer, cholera, jaundice. I am suffering from cats. See, the articles do not use before the names of month and days and names of festival and names of disease. Next, uncountable nouns. Before the uncountable noun. See, water. We cannot count the water. Sugar, tea. We need water. We need the water. That is mistake. We need water. Sugar is sweet. So, uncountable noun. What are the countable noun and uncountable noun? Countable noun we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some nouns we cannot count. Means some nouns cannot be counted. These nouns are called uncountable. So we cannot count the water, sugar, tea. So we need water. Sugar is sweet. Next, appointment. Appointment, nominate, election, declare. He was elected MP. He was appointed supervisor. He was declared captain of our team. We made him. Mainly this much, the importance. Some other nouns also here, but these nouns, wow, I explained 8 points. These are very important. So study very well. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.